Woodworking crafts possess a rare ability to unite modern aesthetics with timeless appeal, and nowhere is this harmony more beautifully expressed than in the creation of simple handmade wooden side tables, pieces that nearly anyone with general woodworking or carpentry knowledge can craft, yet hold the power to transform the emotional and visual atmosphere of a home. These small but meaningful furnishings have become symbols of accessible craftsmanship, reminding us that beauty does not have to be complicated, expensive, or mass-produced. Instead, it can grow from raw wood, shaped by human hands, guided by patience, intention, and the quiet joy of making something both useful and inspiring. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. A handmade wooden side table becomes more than a surface. It becomes a personal expression of style, an anchor of warmth in any room, and a lasting reminder that simple craftsmanship can still elevate interior spaces in profound ways. What makes these tables especially compelling is how they effortlessly blend into modern decor while carrying a timeless charm that no factory-made alternative can replicate. In a world saturated with disposable furniture and fast-changing trends, a simple wooden side table feels refreshing, honest, durable, and deeply human. As creators shape these pieces, they are not only building furniture, they are also building emotional resonance. The grain of the wood, the slight imperfections, the handcrafted joints, the soft hand-sanded edges, each detail tells a story, creating a connection between the maker, the material, and the person who welcomes the finished piece into their home. These tables exude a warmth that modern minimalist interiors often crave, adding balance to sleek lines and cool tones. A wooden side table brings grounding energy to a room, making spaces feel more inviting and lived in. Whether placed beside a bed, next to a sofa, or used as an accent piece in a hallway, it instantly enhances the environment with its natural presence and subtle artistic identity. For homeowners, this emotional appeal matters as much as functionality. People want pieces that make them feel something: comfort, nostalgia, pride, or inspiration. And a handmade wooden side table carries all of these emotions quietly yet powerfully. The beauty of crafting such tables lies not only in the final design, but also in the process itself. Making a simple wooden side table is a project that is accessible to nearly anyone with basic tools and general carpentry knowledge. It does not demand specialized training, high-end machinery, or advanced joinery skills. Instead, it invites creators to work with what they already know, allowing them to experience the satisfaction of building something functional and stylish with their own hands. This accessibility empowers beginners to take their first confident steps into woodworking, while also giving seasoned makers a peaceful, enjoyable project that reconnects them with the fundamentals of the craft. It becomes a reminder that even small, straightforward builds can produce beautiful results. The act of cutting, assembling, sanding, and finishing wood becomes a calming, meditative practice, drawing creators away from the fast pace of the digital world and anchoring them in the tactile pleasure of working with natural materials. These tables also reflect the beauty of thoughtful design, pieces that prioritize simplicity without sacrificing elegance. Their minimalist structure allows the natural grain of the wood to become the star, offering endless variations in color, texture, and personality. This means no two tables are ever truly identical, even if built from the same plan. Each one holds its own unique character, shaped by knots, grain patterns, subtle curves, and the personal touch of the maker. This uniqueness adds to their emotional value and the sense of authenticity they bring into a home. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. In addition, their simplicity makes them incredibly versatile, blending seamlessly with a wide range of interior styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern Scandinavian, from industrial lofts to cozy bohemian spaces. For many creators, making simple wooden side tables becomes a pathway into sustainable design and responsible craftsmanship. Using reclaimed, leftover, or locally sourced wood transforms these projects into eco-conscious statements. Instead of relying on mass-produced furniture made from processed materials, creators choose natural, often repurposed wood that carries both environmental and emotional significance. This approach not only reduces waste, but also adds deeper meaning to the finished piece. A table made from reclaimed wood, for example, may have lived a previous life as part of an old door, floorboard, or cabinet. This history becomes part of the table's charm and storytelling power, giving homeowners a piece that feels rich with character and purpose. What also makes these handmade side tables exciting is their potential to enhance a home's style while offering genuine practicality. They can hold books, lamps, plants, photos, objects that shape the personality of a space. Their presence supports both decor and daily living, offering utility without clutter or overstatement. They are small but essential, often becoming the quiet heroes of interior design by providing structure, balance, and visual appeal. In many rooms, a single handmade wooden table can tie together the entire atmosphere, softening harsh lines, adding warmth to empty corners, and elevating the sense of harmony in the space. Beyond personal use, simple wooden side tables represent an incredible opportunity for woodworking entrepreneurs or hobbyists seeking to earn extra income. Because these tables are affordable to produce, quick to build, and universally appealing, they sell exceptionally well. Whether at craft fairs, local markets, online shops, or community events, people love purchasing handmade furniture that feels special, authentic, and built to last. Sellers benefit from the balance of low material cost, manageable build time, and high customer interest, making these tables one of the most profitable entry-level woodworking products. Buyers appreciate that the tables are not mass-produced, but crafted by human hands, giving them a sense of connection to the maker and a unique item for their home. As artisans build their businesses around side table woodcrafts, the potential for growth and expansion becomes increasingly evident. Successful woodworkers can consider branching into related areas, such as home decor accessories or woodworking workshops. These endeavors not only enhance revenue streams, but also create a more holistic brand experience for customers, deepening their connection to the artisan and their craft. In essence, simple handmade wooden side tables embody the heart of woodworking, merging functionality with artistry, honoring the beauty of natural materials, and creating pieces that enrich both the home and the human experience. They elevate interior style effortlessly, carrying emotional warmth and timeless charm into any room. They invite makers of all skill levels to participate in creativity, offering a rewarding process that reconnects them to traditional craftsmanship. And ultimately, they serve as reminders that the simplest projects are often the most meaningful, because they bring together what truly matters: authenticity, purpose, beauty, and human touch. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.